Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And these shimmers are Could we go darker? Absolutely. And I've already got those bags under my eyes thanks to... Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel, and today we have the bare naked face greeting you because we're gonna be doing a full face of makeup products from one country as episode 3 of our series of regional makeup. In the past, I've done a full face of British brands and also Turkish makeup. So if you'd like to see that, click right here. In today's video, we're gonna be heavily focusing on Korean makeup, and I have a lot of products from Etude House to play with. And that is because Etude House opened their first stores in Middle East earlier this year, and they actually brought out foundations for us darker skin for the very first time in the history of the world, which I highly appreciate because I've always wanted to play with the cushion foundation, but I've never been able to because they never had a shade that is darker than, say, this color. This is like their darkest shade, you know. Of course, we're gonna be starting with cushion foundations, and I've got the shades in if I can figure it, honey beige and honey almond. The store Etude House definitely has darker shades than the ones that I have, but I recently got my hands on the new Jade cushion foundation. Jade is an American brand, but this cushion foundation is made in Korea, so I'm gonna consider this acceptable. Let's just get started. By the way, I did do an at-home hair coloring using one of the Korean hair colors, which is also supposed to be a treatment. I've got a full video of it on my IGTV. Honey almond looks like that. Honey beige looks like that. As a primer, Korean women depend on multiple layers of skincare, but since it is really late in the day today, I'm not going to be applying sheet masks and a lot of other skincare products, but I have this Hamish primer which has also got SPF of 50. The priming and the SPFing is all tackled in one simple step. When it comes to Korean products, guys, the skincare and the makeup, they're just so smart and innovative, and it gives a beautiful glow on your skin. Korean makeup is more about having a really dewy, glowy skin. For the rest of the makeup, like the contour and highlight and everything, they keep it very, very minimal. It's just about having very dewy, fresh skin. And what I've noticed is that a lot of Korean women also apply foundations that are much, much lighter than their skin. So I'm just applying the 107 shade from Jade all across the outer perimeter of my face. If you can get your hands on the Jade cushion foundation, guys, I 100% recommend it. I got it from the store called Barbershop Kuwait, and on the center of my face I'm gonna apply the shade called Honey Almond. Alrighty, and the foundation is done. The Etude House play sticks, I've got the shades in 1, 2 and 4. So they come with a contour shade, a highlight shade, a blush. You get different duos in the store. So I'm gonna take the contour side. I mean, that is dark, but could we go darker? Absolutely. I'm blending it out with a damp beauty blender. When it comes to actual Korean way of contouring, they actually do a little bit of this action because they really love that sharp V shape. A lot of Koreans even get the surgery to do that, and that form of contouring is also really popular in India. When I was back in India and I used to do television, all the makeup artists used to cut off my jaws because I've got these sharp jawlines. And they also actually keep their contour very subtle. They don't have a very harsh contouring style to start with anyway. So I think we are pretty much on trend right now. I think we're doing it. If I have any Koreans watching me, let me know how I'm doing so far. Come on, tell me. Now shade number 4 has a pinky highlighty shade. I'm gonna apply that as my highlighter. I used to have a Korean highlighter from Sonnen Park, but I cannot find it anymore. I think I've given it away to one of my friends. Okay, that is really subtle. Another thing to know is that Korean highlight is generally more of that dewy, glowy, lit from within. To set my face, I've got the loose powder from Innisfree. This is the gemstone collection, and I've got the opal one. This is a loose powder. I think they just spot set, you know, not like set their whole entire face. So probably just under the eyes. Oh, that is a really white powder, guys. Whoa, and that's really fine as well. Around the mouth and maybe just on the forehead and the bridge of the nose. This smells really nice, like an essential oil. All the links of all the products I'm using will be listed down in the description box. For my blush, I'm gonna take my Peri Pera suitcase makeup. How cute is this, right? I've spoken more about this and where I got this and all that in my recent Korean skincare and beauty haul, which you can find right here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? This reminds me of the very famous Benefit Benetint. Okay, let's apply a little bit right there. Oh wow, oh wow, I love that. Oh wow, oh my gosh, and it's so easy to blend out. It's not lifting the foundation from underneath, because I have heard that the Benefit Benetint actually lifts the makeup from underneath. I'm gonna apply a little bit right here just to, like, you know. I really like that. Let me apply some more. This is also giving kind of like a dew. I like you. Vivid Tint Water. This suitcase also comes with 2 lip tints, 1 concealer which is like paper white, and also like a multi-use product. Now this kind of looks like it could work for my skin tone, so let's see if we can apply it like a concealer. That color is a good match for my skin. It's a little too cool toned, if you will. So this would be like a really good contour shade for a fairer girl. That did okay. It's very sheer, I think. Moving on to the brows, I've got the Laneige Eyebrow Cushion Cara. Amazing. They've got cushion makeup for all over your face. So you open it up like that. It comes with 2 different shades, and it also has like a brush and a spoolie thingy which you can like that. I've also got a eyebrow powder from Tony Moly, but this is a little too light and a little too cool tone for my liking. I mean, I can wear it if I want, but I'm not really fond of this. Let's try with a lighter brown first. This is such an interesting formula, guys. I've never tried anything like this. It's cooling to the touch. I'm gonna carefully take that darker shade and give it a little bit more definition right at the edge. I like this. For eyeshadow, I've got this beautiful palette. It's the Cool Tone Eyes personal color palette from Etude House, and also this wine palette from Labiot. And these shimmers are, the mattes are so good. A fairer girl would definitely benefit more from this palette, but they definitely have some really beautiful shades that I can use. The shimmers once again are beautiful, and this shade right here is cute, but it's not as pigmented as the Etude House one. For the eye look today, we've got way too many options, but I'm gonna try and do a very Korean inspired eyes. Let me take this shade right here. It's like a rose gold shimmer. Like with any shimmers, guys, they are a lot more pigmented if you apply it with your fingers. I'm not gonna waste any more time with the brush. I'm gonna dunk my finger right in there, and do you see that? I'm now gonna take a pencil brush and dip it into this darker chocolate brown color. Deepen up my lash line. There's a little bit of fallout. I wish I had applied a little bit of powder underneath my eyes. It's okay. Now I'm gonna take this taupey shade, and I've already got those bags under my eyes thanks to, but this is something that I've seen a lot of girls do to accentuate the bags underneath. Girls apply makeup in the bathroom, and I'm just like creepily standing in the side watching people apply makeup. So I've seen a couple of Asian girls do this to make your eyes look bigger and like more cute. My eyes already look bigger, right? How cute. I've got 2 kohl pencils also from Etude House. It is a twist up, obviously nothing less convenient, smart. It's Korean makeup, you see. And I'm gonna line my top lash line and smudge it out with our pencil brush to define our lash line a little bit more. This is what I've been most excited about. I've got this Mirrorholic from Etude House. I showed this in my Korean haul. Oh, do you see that? It's like a gem right there. To finish up the eyes, we're gonna go with mascara. I've already used the Curl Fix Super Volume Mascara from Etude House, and I love it. Now let's try this giant volume Lash Perm. Wah, wah, wah. The brush is ginormous. Okay, I'm not so impressed with this. I think this is dried out. Let's just go back with this because I know this is a good one. Look at that. That's just one coat. Man, this Curl Fix Super Volume Mascara is so good. I'm definitely putting this in my favorite mascara pile. Moving on to the lips, we've got a couple of options here. I've got the two-tone lipstick from Lash, but I've done a video completely talking about this, so I'm not gonna repeat that. Now the other options I have is the new Hamish Varnish lip tint. It's a very liquidy but creamy lip tint, and that's what I've got on my lips right now. So maybe we can move on to another product, just in case you're wondering. This is what it looks like. So now I've got a bunch of lipsticks to choose from Etude House. We've got a nude, we got a red, no, not feeling them, a bright pink, and another nude. I hate it when you have to open and close every lipstick bullet that you have to see what color you need. Ooh, mauve plum. Which of this do you think will go for our look today? I am going to go with this one, but let me know in the comments if you think I made the right decision or not. It smells beautiful. It smells like some sort of flowers, and this is in the shade PK033. We definitely need a little bit more glow to the face. I'm gonna go back to that eyeshadow palette. Oh yeah, that champagne gold alone is a good one. So here we have the completed look. The products that I personally loved from all of that I used is the Jade foundation, the Cool Tone Eyes palette, the Curl Fix mascara, Play 101 eye pencils, the Mirrorholic Eyes, the Laneige cushion eyebrow product, and the Peri Peri Tint water. For my final thoughts on Korean makeup, I think Korean girls are of much paler complexion to start with, but we brown girls want to try your makeup too. We're gonna buy it, we promise. So Korean brands, if you're listening to me, please bring out more darker shades of foundations. When it comes to eyes, the glitter products, the eyebrows, eyeliners, and mascara, Korean products are what you need to go for. If you see made in Korea, you know it's gonna be good. That is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have anything to let me know, leave them down in the comments below. And if you want me to try any other country's makeup, let me know which one and let me know where I can get it. Do not forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Click that thumbs up button if you like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for joining me today, guys. I really love you. I'll see you in the next one.